Alright dude, what is up? We just recorded some of our first like official roller shots. You know the roller shots on cars where they get them kind of like at car level or below car level. Getting the camera real low to the pavement, you got the car coming at you. We've done roller shots of cars in the past, but this is one of our first like official ones because we had the gimbal set up, we had the real camera and everything like that. We had it all set up. I was hanging outside of a different car that was filming this one.
We just got 2 Broncos, and you won't believe the spec on the other one. What you see now is not what it's going to be like in a whole year.
Whoa.
So
you're telling me there's going to be a whole project behind this?
A whole year. Full aluminum hardtop. Full interior and exterior multi panels. Roof rack.
So this was done for a friend of mine that does custom parts for off-roading vehicles. So like on this Bronco that we were filming that day, he does like custom hard tops and stuff on it. We were filming some stuff on the day for his company and his things. So I'm just kind of bringing back some of the things that maybe weren't included in the final video of his, or maybe just wasn't able to fit the pace of the videos that we were doing. And it just got thrown in the bin, kind of. So I thought that was kind of a shame. Let's put it in this video and kind of tell you a little bit about the shoot. You gotta be careful with these gimbal shots, man. These could be, you know, pretty hectic. You're really risking it for these gimbal shots. Not really, but kind of, you know. Propping yourself up, you leaning out of this bitch, right? It's coming all over your face, the wind and everything, and then you're plunging this thing as deep as you can to the asphalt here, and then you're getting blown everywhere. You're just reaching out and you're getting blown. And there's so many better ways I could have said any of that. Usually you go a little bit slower when you're doing rolling shots and everything. Helps with the stability of everything. You're not blowing it. But this time we were fighting it. You gotta grip it, and then it wants to move a little bit with the wind and everything. You just gotta stabilize that bit. This gimbal, you're going down and it's getting blown, and when you're getting blown you really just want to stay firm, right? So you want to be able to get the stabilization, you want to have stable shots. But you get my point, right? You could interpret that as just being awful, dude. Out of context that must suck. What stayed in and what left? The little Thunderdome of videos that we included in this thing. One of the shots that I thought was pretty cool that didn't make it to the final edit is a 360 spin shot.
Oh, we did win 17 times already in the truck shows.
17 times?
Yeah, yes.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Boy, you must have all the old guys just pissed off. God almighty.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, sir.
That is stunning.
Oh, thank you. We're gonna change the wheels.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna change the fenders. We're gonna change the soft top.
You have your frame of just the ocean, and then you zoom out through the window that was open there, and you're like, whoa, look at that, there's a car there. There's a car in the foreground now that there wasn't there anymore. That's pretty cool. And then you can either reverse that or keep that how it was. I thought that shot was pretty cool. Unfortunately, it made some people dizzy.
Some white on white.
Oh, so it don't get dirty?
Isn't that the easiest way to get it dirty? Yeah. Best modification on the Bronco?
Currently?
Well, that you're gonna put on it or something.
Armadillo hardtop.
Oh my
The merge.
If I were to just keep it exactly the same and linear how it was when we shot it, it relatively would have been a boring video and everything. Even the way that we spliced this up in the intro with him going like, oh, roof rack and all that shit like that, that looks real spicy. I mean, we're just lucky that the guy who is editing this and produced this whole thing, he's just really fucking good. That guy's sick. It's me, that guy, this guy right here. Without tooting my own horn here, I think it actually came out pretty fun. And for being, you know, we had to retake some things and everything with laughter and everything. Bro, you can't even tell this guy's like having a little laugh. He's in it. Boom! Full mulling system on the back. Tell me more. Roof rack with the double explosions on deck? Nah, get it out of here, son. Get it out of here, son. Oh my God, I told him to point at the camera so we know he means business. And boy, did he do that. There was some shots in some of the beach areas that we were at that I thought were pretty cool. Those didn't make the final cut either because of just pacing of the video. We didn't want to make it too long. And it didn't really fit with a bunch of stuff that we were saying in the video. So I couldn't really use it as a bunch of B-roll for stuff. And I didn't want to make a whole nother section of montage video with some music in the background. But I'm going to be doing it in this video. Be swinging up some songs, probably by my boy Nightboy. And by the way, I will link the actual video that he posted on his new channel for his company in the description below. If you want to check out what is actually the final edit of it, check him out, man. Give him a subscribe, like the video, and you know, tell me what you think of the final one. I'm not a huge off-roading guy, so this was kind of a little bit more out of the box for the car videos that I usually do, but I like that type of stuff. I want to do different, unique stuff that usually I wouldn't even plan for. I didn't plan on doing this or whatever, and then this kind of just evolved and happened, but I think it was really cool. We had 3 Broncos that we saw during the days that we were filming this. We had the Heritage Edition Bronco, the red and white one, which had a really cool like heritage spec on it. I thought that one was super clean. We have the one that Fabian was given for his Bronco build journey, and this is gonna be a full build on his channel. So he's gonna take you through all of the customization parts that he's going to be doing on this Bronco in the next year while he has it. We have the fully built out Bronco from the Bronco Adventures YouTube and Instagram page. So I will throw up their stuff on the little page here so you can look them up, or in the description. Check them out, they do some cool stuff, and their Bronco's like fully built out and everything. Let's go over the video. One of my favorite parts of this entire video.
So I figured since we're in the OC and now we got the Bronco, we'd meet up with RJ from RJ. Hey, what's up, guys?
You want to say anything else? Are we saying anything else? Oh my God, just silence from him. This is literally his first video that anyone's ever filmed of him that he's not recording on iPhone selfie mode. And I don't know if you guys have ever made videos before, but your first couple times making videos, you're not really gonna know what to say. Your personality on camera isn't gonna be what your actual personality is in real life or anything like that. It's not gonna be anywhere close. You might be a little scared of the camera. You might be a little scared of the person filming you with the camera. It's gonna be a whole lot of shit, right? Now I've gotten to the point where it's like I'm more comfortable with everything, and I could put things together a little bit better than I could when I first started out. So it's just so relatable. When you're first doing your first videos, you might think of the first couple things you're gonna say. You'll be like, all right, I'm just gonna, you know, bounce this out, and then you say it and you look at the camera, and if you're not really comfortable with the camera, you don't know what to say. You don't have anything planned, especially if you're introducing somebody. I've definitely had multiple situations where I filmed the video with multiple people when I was just starting. I was like, yo, this guy. Yo, guy's pretty sick, huh? like the video. I try to help him out a little bit on the videos because it's helpful. If you're doing the videos for the first couple times, it's helpful to have somebody to kind of lighten the mood a little bit and keep everything at hopefully a fast pace, because everybody can't fucking chill now. You need fucking subway surfers on the bottom of every fucking video to keep people's fucking attention rate up on goddamn TikTok. I'm really considering about making an entire video on YouTube with the subway surfers just right here as like a joke, but I'm really scared that it's gonna perform a lot better than my previous ones. That would be funny as fuck if the like attention rate like triples after I put subway surfers on the side. That's so fucking sad and pathetic, dude. We did a good job with what we had. That's the point of this video, actually. I just found the silver lining of the whole thing and editing in general. We did a good job with what we had. What you shoot on the day, it may not be the best, but you can always save it in editing, and it doesn't really matter what you get there. Well, it does matter, but the audio is not coming out of this mic. It's coming from a mic on top of the camera this time. Oh, I just had to say this, huh? Ooh, the audio is coming from the mic on the camera. Well, I'd soon find out after recording the entire video that my ruse to pull the shades over your eyes by not turning on the arm mic simultaneously fucked me over. Cause my dumbass had neither of the mics on. No shotgun mic and no arm mic. Whoop-de-fuck. Do. In the background of this whole video, you'll find the box to this useless shell of a mic sitting on top of my camera, almost taunting me throughout the entire thing. This one's just because I like having the arm. I could easily put this away, but I don't want to. I like the arm too much. Ooh, you like the arm too much? How about you turn it on, you little shit? Man, this section about how I had two of these mics staring in front of me the entire time, I can't even turn them on. Just a little practical thing so you can envision and think of the audio coming out of here. So maybe this might trick you to think the audio is better, but the audio should be decent because there's a decent mic on there now. Yeah, it's on top of the camera, but it's not turned on. Oh, Past Andrew's really testing my limits right now.